Hello everyone, nice to see you again. My iQOO 15 just received the May monthly update. First up is the gallery, which has switched to a brand new UI. The color palette function has also been officially implemented. Tap Edit and select Style. Here you'll find some very nice looking filters. By tapping the color palette, we can adjust the tone intensity and color saturation. Next, we swipe right to reach the watermarks. This time, some very nice looking watermarks have been added for everyone to choose from. Personally, I quite like these few. Media types have also been categorized here, making it convenient for everyone to quickly find various types of photos and videos. Things like live photos, high-resolution photos, portraits, and portrait videos can all be easily found through this categorization. Widgets have also been updated, with more and more supporting the latest UI materials. In the future, Vivo will likely gradually update all widgets to look like this. The Atomic Island charging animation has also been modified. This is the previous animation, and this is the current one. If ultra-fast charging is triggered, there will be even more exquisite visual effects. Interconnectivity with Apple has also been updated. If your iPhone is running out of storage, we can now back up photos and videos from the iPhone to a Vivo phone via Vivo EasyShare. Furthermore, we can view our backed up photos through cross-device access, which can greatly help relieve the storage pressure on your iPhone. If you are a dual device user, this feature will be incredibly useful for you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.